Hi YouTube, how y'all doing? So, for today's video, or for the next couple of videos, I'm going to be talking about the most dangerous animals of each continent, except Antarctica, because nobody really goes to Antarctica. And before I start the list of the most dangerous animals in North America, I'm going to add an honorable mention to mosquitoes. I'm not adding mosquitoes because I'm not going to add the same animal for different continents. So yeah, mosquitoes live in every continent except Antarctica, but we all knew that. So yeah, so on with the list. So the first animal that I have for the most dangerous animals in North America is the eastern diamondback rattlesnake. Now the eastern diamondback rattlesnake is the most dangerous and most venomous snake in North America. They can go up to 5 feet long, but some can go up to 8 feet long. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake can be blackish gray, olive green, or muddy gray. Their range includes eastern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, eastern South Carolina, southern North Carolina, and all of Florida. Like I said, these snakes are the most venomous snake species in North America, and they have a toxin in their venom called hemotoxin, which kills red blood cells and causes tissue damage. Although deaths are rare, that's only because, there's anti-venom. So yeah, luckily we have anti-venom for all snake species, and that's why there aren't many snake deaths. Next on my list is the grizzly bear. Now the grizzly bear is the second largest bear species in the world, just behind the polar bear. Fully grown grizzlies can stand up to 7 feet tall on their hind legs and weigh up to 700 pounds. Although there are some grizzly bears that can top 1,000 pounds. Grizzlies can be found in northern Rocky Mountains, including Yellowstone National Park, Glacier National Park, northwestern Montana, northern Idaho, and all the way up to Canada. There's also a large population of grizzlies in northern Canada and Alaska. Grizzly bears have claws that are at least 2 inches long, but can grow up to 4 inches in length when fully grown. They have a bite force of 1,160 psi. From 2000 to 2015, there were 183 bear attacks all across the United States, and 21 out of those 183 bear attacks were fatal. Next on my list is the polar bear. And polar bears are the largest bear in the world, and they are the only carnivorous bear in the world. Polar bears can stand up to 9 to 10 feet on their hind legs and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Polar bears are found in the Arctic, in Alaska, Canada, and Greenland. Polar bear claws can grow up to 4 inches in length, and they have a bite force of 1,200 psi. Between 2010 and 2014, there were 15 polar bear attacks on humans, which is the greatest number ever in a 4-year period. This can be credited to habitat loss. Yeah. Global warming is a real thing, and if you don't believe in it, you need serious mental health. So yeah. Next animal that I have on my list is the bull shark. Bull sharks are medium-sized sharks that can be found as north as Massachusetts and as south as the Caribbean islands. They can also be found in Central American waters. There are many reasons why the bull shark is considered the most dangerous shark in the world. One reason is they are considered the most aggressive shark in the world. Another reason is, out of all the sharks that are alive, bull sharks actually have the highest bite force of any shark today, with a bite force of 1,350 psi. The final reason what makes them so dangerous is, unlike any other shark, bull sharks can actually survive large amounts of time in fresh water. Yup, they've been caught swimming up the Mississippi River, and yeah, that's not a good thing. You might be wondering, how is that possible? Well, bull sharks have a special gland in their kidneys that helps them keep the salt in their bodies. So think of it as like them holding their breath, basically. Alright, the final species that I have on my list is killer bees. Now you might be wondering, how can a bee kill a person that's not allergic? Well, hear me out. Africanized honeybees, or killer bees, are a man-made hybrid of the African honeybee and the European honeybee. Why did humans decide to breed bees? Well, for honey production, that's why. They can be found in Southern California, Southern Nevada, Arizona, Texas, New Mexico, Oklahoma, Western Louisiana, Southern Arkansas, and Central and Southern Florida. Now, you're wondering, how can the bee species be so dangerous? Well, you know why? because these bees are the most aggressive bee species and they are the most territorial. Anything, and I mean anything, that gets near their hive will result in a swarm. They're responsible for at least 1,000 deaths in the United States. These bees have chased down a truck for 2 miles. They nearly killed an 84-year-old man after stinging him nearly 2,000 times. And just a week after that, they killed a farmer in Texas. So yeah, killer bees are a real threat. I mean, killer is in their name. But anyways, that's it. That's all I got for y'all today. Be on the lookout for the next videos. So I'm out.